Hello everyone, and in this part of the course we will learn and work with if statements. Let's get right into it. So I want you to think of an if statement as a gate to a certain city. Whenever a person wants to enter that city, he has to go through the gate. If the gate accepts him, he can enter, and if the gate does not accept him, he is rejected. In C# code, it works exactly the same. Firstly, we write the keyword if to indicate that we want to start an if statement. Then, inside of the if parentheses, we write the info that we want to check. For example, in our analogy, we write if person X is allowed to enter. Then, in the first wiggly parentheses, we write what code will execute if the info that we checked is indeed true. Else, we tell C# what to do if that info that we checked is false. But ifs are not limited to only a single check. We can also commit multiple different checks at once. For example, if we want to check if a person belongs to the city or the person is above the age of 70 years old, we can first check if the person is allowed to enter. If he is, we tell him that he can enter. But then we write else if, which is like giving another attempt. We also check if the person is above 70 years old. And if either of them happens, the person can enter. But if neither of them happens, we reject the person. Let's head now to VS Code and try to build something with the if statement we've just learned. So we can, for example, say number and assign the value 10 to it. And then we can say if number is equal 10, we can log on the console the message number is indeed 10. And then we can leave it like this, or if you want to indicate or tell the user that the number is not 10, we can use an else. So we say else, and if the number is not 10, we will write in the console number is not 10. Just a quick note, this symbol right here means if the left side is equal to the right side. And if we were to run the program by using .NET Run, we will get, give it a couple of times, we will get number is indeed 10. But that's not all. We can also use some other operators such as greater than 10. We can, for example, say if the number is greater than 5. And then we can change this snippet of code to number is greater than 5. And we get exactly that. Likewise, we can ask if the number is less than 5. And as you can all expect, we will get, okay, I did not update the code, but we will get the other option. So basically, those are if statements, and in the next episode we will learn how to get input from the user running the program. Thanks you all for watching.